Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you need to press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the Wi-Fi option. Once you find it, tap on it to select it, and here make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled, and once it is, you can scroll through the list of networks and find the network you want to disconnect from. If you're connected to the network and it's on this list, you can tap on it. The watch will automatically connect to the network, and once it does, you can tap on it right here under the Wi-Fi button, and then you can tap on forget this network and tap on forget to disconnect from it. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.